Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video, my sister is going to be doing some knotless braids on me. So she just recently started to try to braid more and I thought it was a good idea for her to practice on me. So right now I'm blowing out my hair with this Revlon like blowout brush. I'll have everything linked down below. Like you saw, I showed the hair already. I'm using two different packs of hair. We had to mix the colors just to get a blonde that matched mine the best. So you're gonna see that in the video, but yeah, so right now she's starting to do the parts, and like I said, she braided her own hair a couple of times, but she hasn't done braids on other people. So I was like, okay, you can come practice on me because why not? I haven't had braids in over a year. So as you can see, my brother is sitting there helping me. So to blend the hair, I pretty much just split up two handfuls of hair evenly with both colors, and then you just continue to like split it, mix it. So that's pretty much what I had to do for my whole head. And so right now she's doing the bottom parts, and then to do the parts, she used this gel. I'll have it linked down below as well. I don't know the name off the top of my head because I don't have it next to me, but yeah, so this just helps get a neater part. And so, like I said, these are knotless. So she started braiding my hair and then adds the hair in a little down. Um, at the bottom of my hair, we were still like, trying to figure out how much hair to use and how much hair to mix. So the three bottom braids honestly look crazy. I forgot I left this in, but honestly, we had a good time. This whole time she was braiding my hair, we were laughing and joking. It was at like 2 in the morning, so we were a little delusional, but yeah, we had a lot of fun, and I'm glad she, started braiding hair because now I got someone to do it when I want braids. But yeah, so this bottom section is just a little a mess. I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then when we get to the closer sections, I'm gonna do a little more of a voiceover. Okay, so on this braid you can see a little bit more of the process. So as you can see, she started braiding my hair down with just my natural hair, and then she'll add a little piece of hair. And you guys can see me mixing the hair. So that was our system. I mixed the hair while she did the braids, and then when she got down far enough, I finished the end of the braid. So that kind of helped the process go by fast, but I'm not even gonna lie, we had to do it in two different sections. We didn't even finish this tonight, so there is a little transition, but yeah, so that was pretty much our whole process. Um, and as you can see, the braids are starting to look way better, but there are some that are uneven, some that are bigger, some that are smaller. So when we finished, we went back through and just adjusted some of the braids so they were all pretty much the same size. But yeah, you guys can kind of see how she was parting my hair. So the top of your hair, you can't just do it in a straight line. You have to kind of curve it with your scalp, with your like head shape. So all right, so this is the next day. We didn't finish the braids that night. Yeah, so as you can see, the parts look really good, and here she is just adding in the hair. I'm gonna try to do a more, next time she braids my hair, I want it to be like more close up. So yeah, I definitely feel like these are good shots. This is her first time doing braids on someone else, so she's doing really good. But I do want to do like a more detailed video, especially for people that are actually trying to braid and not just someone like me that just watches stuff like this for fun. I'll probably have her do the voiceover next time just because she's the one actually doing it. So here I am. I was ordering a pizza for dinner because we were watching football this night. It was actually pretty sure a Sunday night. So, yeah, Sunday night football was a go. Okay, we're on the last two braids. I'm scared because I can't get them super close to the root. I keep on messing up. Gonna go down there. I had to come up here because I ran out of hair and I didn't want to open a new pack, so I just got some over there.
I see shit next time. You should be good about it.
I brought the camera.
Are you done?
So this is the last stretch. As you guys can see, we're like over at this point. Like look at how I'm sitting. Look at my back. My back was hurting. We were low-key delusional, so we were just trying to get through it. But yeah, the braids came out so good. The ends look crazy right now, but this is her finishing up the last braids. We're just over it, but it was so worth it. The braids came out super cute, and I'm in love. The color matched perfectly with my hair, so I'm really glad that we mixed the two packs together. So right here you can see we didn't braid all the way down, so I'm having my mom cut my hair into a V shape just so it's not like straight across, and this was like such a good idea, so whenever we added the curls in, it really just made it look seamless. So yeah, we just cut the excess hair off, and I didn't want my braids to be too long. This was like the perfect length. I don't want to be like sitting on them or anything, especially because I was going on vacation after this and I just didn't want to deal with all that. So okay, so now here is Kendall putting some mousse into my hair, and then she had these curling rod things. I forgot the exact name, but I can have them linked down below. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. But she just added them to the ends of my hair, and then we dipped my hair with them in. So this just really like locked in the curls. And honestly, the whole time I had my braids, which is about 2 weeks, I didn't have to recurl them at all, and I was like swimming and doing a bunch of activities and things. So yeah, this process really worked. So she just did that all throughout my head, and then as you saw, she put some mousse in the water. I don't know if that made a huge difference, but yeah, we just dipped my hair, and I think we set it in there for like 5 minutes. It was very hot. You know, have to do boiling water, and then you just catch your hair with a towel. Y'all, my neck was hurting. But so this is the next day. Don't mind my outfit. I was going to church, but I'm taking out the curlers, and like guys, they came out so cute. Like the curls, like I said, lasted 2 weeks. Never had to be curl. The parts look great. The color looks great. Like Kendall did such a good job. So I definitely have some more braid videos coming soon, and I probably will have her do the voiceover, like I said, since she's the one doing the braids. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. I was in love with these, and I cannot wait to have more braids because I'm obsessed. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, just let me know what you guys think down below. And then if you're not already, go and follow me on Instagram at Anissa Does It, and you can always ask me questions or DM me anything that you want me to know.